Toasting and chopping nuts for your cakes couldn't be easier. When the oven has preheated for a cake, spread the nuts out onto a baking tray, place on the centre shelf, and time them according to the recipe. For chopping nuts, one of these little gadgets called a mini chopper makes very light work of it. The mini chopper is also useful for pureeing, icing, and many other things. Alternatively, spread the nuts out on a board and begin by roughly chopping them. Then, using a backward and forward movement, hold the handle with one hand and steadying the blade at the other end, keep going backwards and forwards till the nuts are chopped coarsely or finely, according to the recipe. Got any questions? Then join in one of our online web chats.